Our world is interconnected. Businesses operate across borders, their supply chains weaving through continents. While this globalization offers incredible opportunities, it also raises critical questions about their impact on people and the planet. Enter human rights due diligence, or HRDD, an emerging framework reshaping how companies operate responsibly and ethically across their entire value chain. HRDD goes beyond mere paperwork. It's about taking proactive responsibility. It's about identifying potential human rights risks throughout operations and value chains, from child labor in mines to unsafe working conditions in factories. Preventing adverse impacts on workers, communities, and individuals, ensuring fair wages, safe environments, and respectful treatment. Mitigating any identified risks, taking concrete steps to address them and ensure they don't contribute to human rights abuses. Accounting, publicly reporting on due diligence efforts and progress, fostering transparency and accountability to stakeholders. Why is HRDD important? Protecting people, it safeguards fundamental human rights like fair wages, safe working conditions, and freedom from discrimination, empowering individuals and communities. Strengthening businesses by mitigating risks associated with human rights abuses. HRDD enhances reputation, investor confidence, and long-term sustainability. Building trust, it fosters transparency and accountability, leading to stronger relationships with stakeholders, consumers, and communities. The global landscape of HRDD. European Union, the Corporate Sustainability Due Diligence Directive CSDDD sets a precedent for mandatory due diligence across the bloc, requiring companies to identify and address human rights and environmental risks in their operations and value chains. France, the duty of vigilance law requires large companies to identify and prevent human rights and environmental risks throughout their global operations. Germany, the Supply Chain Act mandates due diligence for human rights and environmental risks in supply chains of companies with over 3,000 employees. Norway, the Transparency Act requires large companies to report on the human rights impacts of their activities and their efforts to mitigate those impacts. Netherlands, the Child Labor Due Diligence Act requires large companies to identify and address child labor risks in their supply chains. While the HRDD landscape may seem complex, remember you're not alone. By proactively embracing HRDD, you can not only mitigate risks and build trust, but also unlock new opportunities and enhance your competitive advantage. How we can help at Vectra? We are dedicated to guiding businesses through the evolving HRDD landscape. We offer a comprehensive suite of services to help you develop and implement HRDD frameworks tailored to your specific needs and industry. Conduct comprehensive risk assessments and identify potential human rights violations within your value chain. Develop strategies to mitigate identified risks and ensure ethical sourcing practices. Build stakeholder engagement and communication plans to demonstrate your commitment to HRDD. Navigate complex regulations and ensure compliance with relevant legislation. Ready to take the next step towards responsible business practices and a brighter future? Contact us today for a free consultation and learn how we can help you leverage the power of HRDD to achieve your sustainability goals.